Here's your reflection project, and I think you'll have a lot of fun with this one. All right, so follow step by step. Open up a new blank slideshow presentation, okay? And here's how I want you to format it. First of all, up here, for the title, type in Reflections Project. And then what I want you to do, also put that here, Reflections Project. In the subtitle, format it as by, and then put your name in there. Pause this video at any time. Next, you need to add 6 more slides so you have a total of 7. Come back to slide number 2. I'm going to give you the titles to put on each of these. Slide number 2 should say this: Celebrity Picture. And then on this one, say the original, because this is the original photo. We'll talk about who yours is going to be in a second. Mine is going to be Donny Osmond, so put that in there. Or I put that there. You put whatever celebrity you're going to find. We'll talk about the picture in a second. All right, slide 3. This is going to be your celebrity photo. And here I want 2 left sides. We'll explain that in a second. Slide number 4 is going to be celebrity photo dash 2 right sides. Slide 5. This is going to be fun. Selfie. Original. Slide 6. Selfie dash 2 left sides. And then finally, on this one is going to be your selfie again, 2 right sides. Now, you should have 7 slides in your slideshow. Everything's all formatted. You've got your name on here. Now you've got to go get your picture. So, from computer science, if you have that class, you know that you should be taking and getting pictures that you can reuse. So try to use your tools and say labeled for reuse or non-commercial reuse, that sort of thing. And then download a picture. So you save it as, keep it in your downloads. I happen to have mine already, so I'm going to go insert, image. Mine is going to be on the computer. Hang on. Image, upload from computer. Okay. Here's Donnie. Boom. Open. Okay. Now I'm going to scooch that down there. There's my original. All right. Leave that one as is. Actually, copy it and then come to slide number 3. We're going to put it in here, but we're going to do some cropping so that I'm going to take 2 left sides of Donnie's face and put them together and see how symmetric it looks. Now, when I look at it, I am looking, this side looks like the left to me. His left side's really the brighter one. So I'm going to crop this way. Now, mine shows up here. If yours doesn't, if you've got something and you don't see how to crop it, when you click on it, in the 3 dots, you might see that option, but we're after this tool to crop. And you'll see that you will get these black marks to go ahead and do that. His left side's this one, so I want to come this way and try to get like down the middle of the nose or something like that and see if you can get that. Play around a little bit as you need to, okay? So that's about where it is. By the way, when you get your celebrity photo, make sure it's just the head. Make sure you're getting one where they're looking straight on. Okay, now I'm going to scooch this way over for now. So we're just taking this half and copying it now. Oops. And pasting it on here. So see, now I have 2 of the same thing. When you click on this under arrange, or I think it's format, let's see. No, arrange. Go to rotate and flip this thing horizontally. Click on that and see how it turned it. Then go ahead and slide the two together and try to get it positioned so it's trying to match up a little bit. Let's see what you got. Okay, there's what it looks like with two left sides. He's pretty symmetrical, so that's not too bad. Come back here to the original again, and you're going to go through the same process. Now, I need to crop this again, so you might need to get that formatting. This time I'm going to take his right side. All right, let's say I've got that. I'm going to have to now copy this half there. All right, so now I have two of these. Highlight one of them under Arrange, Rotate, Flip horizontally, and then put the two sides together. See what you've got. Oops, might need to scooch that a little bit better so you don't have that gap. It's a little more. Okay, play around with that, see what you come up with, and see if it looks pretty symmetric. All right, now you need to do the same thing now with yourself. All right, what I want you to do is when you get to the first one with selfie on your Chromebook, here you go. Insert, image, camera. You might have to enable your camera or allow the camera to work on your Chromebook. It's right there in the middle, so get yourself positioned and then click on this to take the picture. And then you're going to go through the same exact thing. Try to make sure you're looking straight on. Now I'm just going to do mine because I have my headset in there. When you click insert, it's going to be here. Okay, so that's the original. Come down here. You're going to crop this picture. Okay, so you have to click and say crop it. Okay, my left side is the side that I have the microphone on. So I'm going to first do this just so you can see how funny it's going to look and make sure it works. Copy and paste it. Move it over here. Arrange it so that you're flipping it horizontally. And then when you put those together, well, that ought to be fun. And see what you look like. It's a lot of fun. Do the same thing for the other side. When you get your file done, then make sure you enter your teacher's name there to share so then we can grade it. Have a lot of fun. This one is a lot of fun. Okay. And as always, may the force be with you.